innocent born. That's the Perry Mason in me, like Ozzy Osbourne. Must have been born to be a villain. You've been warned, I'm street dreaming. White on white fur, I've been pimping. Maturity might turn you into a gangster. You might sell women. Get asked me and I tell you it's a fantasy. How they love the devil, they just wanna toy with me. Einstein's mind for they little ego. Mine bent on the pieces like a puzzle. Reality doesn't make sense. You putting all these labels on my face. I think you a huge disgrace. Cold heart, but how effective are you? You trying to hurt people? I'll stop your Benz from moving. All cause of change at the register. 10 cents. 10 cents. It's the presidential 10 cents. Truly you unfair. You know you not right selling what subject. When I light my weed and the molly flying to the sky and the air, I became a villain. 10 cents. Gon' crawl to a millionaire status just so I can kill the air. Like you don't really deserve it. And I'm sorry if I don't earth you, but it's worth it just to look that faggot in the eye that abused you. And who said I can't become president? I'm already presidential. A shot caller. If Kanye ran, I got potential. I need to sneak into office and cut all their heads off. Calico, shoot them into a straight line like Adolf. The cause of genocide, so gangster nobody can come outside. And I become next to impossible to uproot. Hatred is a strong word, and it's impossible to escape the matrix. I'm gonna eat you like a grape. Laugh when you go to hell. Seeing your face in the tomb, still alive, and your face starts to decay. 10 cents. It's the presidential 10 cents. 10 cents. You created a villain, nigga. 10 cents. Small things become big, like kaboom.